Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something completely different from our usual car reviews. This is the 2025 Caterpillar D10, one of the most powerful bulldozers on the planet. If you love heavy machinery, stick around because this beast is a whole different kind of horsepower. This machine is built for the toughest jobs, moving massive amounts of earth, ripping through rock, and shaping landscapes. The D10 has been a staple in the construction and mining industries for decades, but the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. One of the biggest updates this year is the new technology inside the cab. It's no longer just levers and brute force. The latest D10 comes with an advanced touchscreen display, automated controls, and even GPS-assisted grading to make operations smoother and more efficient. Caterpillar has also improved visibility and comfort, meaning operators can work longer shifts with less fatigue. Powering this beast is a Cat C27 engine, pushing out an incredible 770 horsepower. That's more than 10 times the power of a typical sports car. The updated fuel system and improved efficiency mean this dozer isn't just powerful, it's also designed to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. Let's talk about performance. This thing is built to move mountains, literally. The updated undercarriage improves traction and durability, while the redesigned ripper at the back makes braking through hard surfaces easier than ever. It's all about maximizing productivity while keeping costs down. Durability has always been a Caterpillar trademark, and this D10 is no exception. The reinforced frame, stronger hydraulic components, and upgraded cooling system ensure it can handle extreme conditions. Whether it's in a desert, a forest, or a mining site, this dozer is built to last. For those who care about sustainability, Caterpillar has made strides in making this D10 more eco-friendly. It's compatible with alternative fuels and features advanced engine technology to minimize its environmental impact while still delivering raw power. Compared to previous versions, this 2025 model is more efficient, easier to operate, and even tougher in extreme conditions. It's a machine built for the future, combining decades of Caterpillar's expertise with cutting-edge technology. So, is the 2025 Caterpillar D10 the ultimate bulldozer? If you need serious earth-moving power, this is about as good as it gets. Whether you're in construction, mining, or large-scale land development, the D10 is a machine that gets the job done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of the new D10 and what machines you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.